if you have a 2013 Honda Civic, I believe these will work on the 2013 Honda Civic to the 2015 Honda Civic. This is the hood clip right here. The piece had broken off on my old one, and you can order these at ebay.com. You get like a pack of them, or like more than a dozen. Basically, you just pull the old one out with some pliers, squeeze it, pull it out, put the new one in, and you can see right there it's brand new. And all you gotta do is just unhook. Unhook it. There you go. Just put it right in, just like that. Secure in place. Any questions? Feel free to ask.